I'm Krishna Sagar Rao, BJP spokesperson. It is highly condemnable that the followers of the Dera chief resorted to violence and arson. And the death of over 28 normal, common people and over 250 people injured is unwarranted and uncalled for, and it is heartbreaking. Now, no one is above law, and one has to understand that very clearly in a democracy. We have to respect institutions, otherwise we'll be a banana republic. There was a long trial for 15 years on this particular case, and CBI court has given a sentence yesterday. No one is above law. I mean, no one is above the law of the land. The people who are at the receiving end did not do anything wrong. Over 28 people dying, 250 people getting injured is heartbreaking. Bharatiya Janata Party seriously condemns this kind of arson and violence which doesn't have a place in democracy. Now, the state government has tried to do everything in its purview by imposing sections, by bringing in paramilitary, military. However, to contain that kind of a mass of population is impossible for any state. But if at all there is any shortcomings in the governance, Prime Minister and the departmental head Rajnath Singh Ji, Ministry of Home Affairs in the centre, will look into it, will review the situation. As it is a BJP-led government in Haryana, certainly Amit Shah Ji will also look into the political aspects of what has gone wrong or what happened actually there. The review will happen. The results and the outcomes will be there. So I think today it is important to ensure that there is peace which prevails in these areas which are disturbed. And now when coming up on 28th, the sentence is going to be announced. So there needs to be peace. There needs to be tranquility. There need to be restraint. And I appeal each and every one to follow these aspects to ensure more violence doesn't happen. Namaskar.